Hi guys. Okay, so we are doing this video tonight. Dirty Rice Offroad posed a question tonight. So we're going to be doing this video to talk about our communication setup. We're going to talk about what we have. We're going to talk about where you can purchase something like this, and then the benefits of having this.
Correct.
How awesome it is. Okay, so what we have PCI Race Radio's car-to-car communications with intercom and audio out.
Correct.
Where you can purchase it? Well, it just so happens that I'm going to include some links in the description to PCI Race Radios, to the actual products that we have in our car. Also, you guys are like, shh about this. I'm going to give you the direct line to Alleigh, our connection there, who is amazing, so be nice to her. Her email address and her, like I said, her direct line, and links to all the products that we have. So...
yeah, she's done a great job at taking care of us anytime there was something we needed.
She is on the ball, that Alleigh, and she's awesome. She rides awesome. She's great. So, thanks, Alleigh. Okay, and the benefits. The benefits of having this type of a setup. Obviously, safety is our number one concern. I say safety third, but really it's safety first.
Correct. When you're riding, it's important.
Especially the places we ride, some of the spots that we go to, it's wide open. It's safer to be able to communicate with the people that you ride with, because you're never riding alone, right? We don't.
Hey, where's the rest of our crew?
We're in the back.
Right now, somebody right behind her. Stop and wait for it? Yeah, hold tight. Let's regroup and calm hills and then figure out our channel.
And also the convenience for the crew that you're riding with to be able to reach out to you. The person who's in the front of the line, you're riding with 15 other cars. I feel like it's nice for them to be able to reach out to everybody in the group and for us all to be able to communicate so that we're not holding anybody up. And we always worry about the people behind us, and I know that the people we ride with are the same way. They're worried about us. I don't want people to worry about us. I want them to be able to be like, Darren, you good? Brandy, you okay? And for us to be able to be like, Roger that, or whatever, breaker 19 type stuff. So
We're calm hill, we're going to hold.
Yeah, the convenience is huge. It makes the ride more enjoyable because nobody has to wonder where you're at if there's an issue. Push a button, check in with everybody, you're good to go.
Push to talk is the best. Mine's right here on my gun, so I feel like I'm shooting people. Exactly, because if you are always like, do you see them? Do you see them? If people are riding with us that don't have it, if they do, I'm thinking in my head, if something were wrong, they'd hit the button and they would tell us, hey, hold up, got a problem, which has happened, so it's awesome. Guys, so we ran into an issue again. Dean's car, check engine light.
I'm going to check it.
Bonus. This is a bonus benefit to us, this channel.
So the bonus of having the audio output is what we're doing right now. So we can record, we simply connect a cable, and we'll show you that cable and how it connects to the radio.
And this is the cable that connects into the intercom. That allows us to record audio.
We connect a cable to whatever the recording device is. It happens to be a phone right now. It's typically been a phone. In the future, it's going to be our GoPro. So we're looking at different action cameras for the future. One of them, a Sony action cam, actually has the mic input already. So we're going to try one of those and see how that goes. In the past, I have taken audio from the phone and synchronized it with the video from the GoPro, but it's a bunch of extra work.
It's a lot of work. Okay, so we didn't really go into the install piece of this, but that's because back in those days we weren't recording like everything that we did. We should have, we didn't. Whatever, live and learn. So I think that there's a possibility that we might be able to convince this guy to do a little, not reverse engineering. We're not pulling it out. It's not happening, guys. Don't get crazy. But we could go over everything, right, babe? Yeah.
Yeah, there's plenty of tips online already, but we could definitely cover. We could take video and pictures of the install that we have. I can pull a few panels off, show you the wiring, and also if you want to comment down below and ask any questions about how to install, we can definitely answer those.
Oh, yeah. So, you know what? This was going to be a quick video. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Dirty Rice Off-Road, thanks for asking the question. We like he said, we'd be more than happy to provide you with more detail. We can put another video together. Just let us know, guys. Let us know what you want. We're totally open to ideas. We'd love to hear your suggestions, your comments, your questions. Tell us what you use. Like, do you guys have a different setup? How do you feel about it? Is it awesome? We'd love to know. And again, there are going to be links below in the description to all of the products that we talked about today. I'm going to go crazy with links. I'm going to put helmet links. I'm going to put, the thing I didn't even talk about, this ICOM, this bracket console that we got also from PCI. Thank you, Alleigh.